Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials and welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I show you how to share the Google Docs file. To do that, go to your Google Docs file, of course, and click over here, Share. And now you can click over here to add people and groups. So you can add, for example, email address and add a message. And you'll see that over here says that you are sharing this file. If you don't want the collaborator to change the files, make sure to click this to be only the viewer, so the person only can view your document. If you want the person to change your document, just click this editor and so on, and click send. To remove the persons, just click over here and click remove. Also, you can click over here change under the get link. Who anyone on the internet with this link can view, so you can share this link anywhere you want. Just make sure that if you share this publicly, make sure to set first to be viewer, because if you set it to editor, anyone can change your document and make bad things happen. And just click, for example, viewer, click copy link and click done. And now share this link wherever you want. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.